Brotherhood beyond our chains, shadows of life's street refrains. Let's lift the veil, break away from pain, and let humanity reign. From soft whispers to roars so grand, spend the earth with every hand. No walls can hold us or divide. In harmony we must decide. Brother lines we drew are breaking down. Borders fade across every town. Let's rise above the old charade and build a world where hearts invade. We're global citizens today. Together we'll find our way. No flags to keep us apart. One world beating with one heart. No more flags to wave around. We've blended skies, no battleground. We'll save of our tomorrow. We'll cast aside those sorrows. Rumpus the shores through the heartland speed. We share the earth beneath our feet. Let's bridge the gaps, united sound, with no more chains to hold us down. We're global citizens today. Together we'll find our way. From city lights to rural farms, we've got the power in our arms to turn this tide with hope and faith and see the world as one whole place. We're global citizens today. Together we'll find our way. No flags that keep us apart. One world beating with one heart. From winding roads to moonlit lakes, together we can make the break. We got the chance to hold the key, unlock love and set us free. We're global citizens today. Together we find our way. No flags to keep us apart. One world beating with one heart. In the rhythm is the city night. Burial dolls will find a light. The morning wind blows through the streets where dreams and faces very often meet. We'll paint the sky colors grand. Together we'll make that final stand. From market squares to mountain tops, let's build a world where division stops. We're tearing down these walls of old. Our future shines with hearts of gold. We're global citizens today. Together we'll find our way. Together we'll find our way.